We're looking at a full frame-off restoration here.
The patina is interesting, but structurally it's compromised.
Let's document everything before we start dismantling.
Bring it right here. Watch that fender. All right. This rust is extensive.
Let's get the hood open and check the engine.
Look at the state of this engine block. It's completely seized.
The rust goes all the way through the fender well here.
It's structural. We're looking at a full frame-off restoration.